You have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on Jones Field number 1 for qualification match number 85. The 2 teams in yellow on the Blue Alliance are the Robotic Rodents and the Sonic Eagles. They are going up against the Royal Robots and Brainstem.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
2 major penalties and 1 minor penalty on the field as we prepare to enter the tele-op. We have a 20-point difference between the 2 teams with red in the lead. Starting it off for the Red Alliance is the Royal Robots as they line up with that hoop to launch those artifacts in, joined by their teammates Bryce, Sarah, Brainstem from afar. We are having quite the penalties today as the Blue Alliance tries to regain their points and get back into the lead. They are doing this by having the Robotic Rodent stay in the near launch zone and having their teammates, the Sonic Eagles, join them from afar. As they try to find a position where they can launch, the Red Alliance is having no shortage of artifacts going into their basket. This is being done in no small part by Brainstem, who is a dominant member of this team, going back and forth and cycling these artifacts in rapid succession. The Sonic Eagles and now their teammates, the Robotic Rodents, were both launching in sync, scoring 2 out of 4. We are now about to enter endgame as these teams are trying to get those final artifacts in and score as many in the ramp before time runs out. It does appear, though, that we do have a lost battery of the Royal Robots on the field that has come undone as these teams share that parking to end qualification.
85. The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 241 to 204. That is going to mean Brainstem, despite 3 ranking points in a win, will move down to number 10. Still within picking range.